My ideal home. My name is Ingrid Juliet Castillo Salinas. You can find many houses in Colombia, but the ability to find my ideal house is unmatched. My ideal house is made in cottage-style. Cottage can be in the countryside, with the floors made in a tree house, style with a swimming pool and games rooms, can be a billiard, a mini bar, and a ping pong court. It is not necessary to have so many houses around because with nature is more than enough. Could be in a hot place either Barranquilla or Santa Marta. My house have a flat corridor to get up to the second floor, changing to a little the style of the houses, without having stairs, thinking about the future that await us from old age, and that we will not be able to climb stairs at that age. I could make a part of the sailing so that with a lever I can take it off at night and see the stars. Maybe I could not take it off, but if a part, I must also make a wall with glass to have a view of the beautiful nature. Thank you.